Why does your scanner show the P2565 engine code? What does it mean? P2565 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger boost control position sensor A circuit high. This engine code indicates that the boost levels of the turbocharger boost control position sensor circuit A are not within the expected range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: shorted signal circuit, damaged or faulty sensor, powertrain control module issues, open or damaged ground circuit. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is commonly seen in vehicles with turbocharged engines, particularly in Hyundai, Kia, VW, and Audi models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.